Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on achieving the effortlessly chic messy claw clip hairstyle for natural curly hair. This hairstyle is perfect for showcasing your beautiful curls while keeping your hair stylishly out of your face. Let's get started. Section 1. Preparing your curls. Start with clean, moisturized hair. Apply a leave-in conditioner or curl-enhancing product to define your curls. Ensure your hair is detangled and ready for styling. Section 2. Choosing the right claw clip. Select a large, sturdy claw clip that can hold your curly hair in place. You can find claw clips in various sizes and styles to suit your preference. Section 3. Creating volume and texture. Enhance your natural curls by scrunching your hair with a diffuser attachment on a low-heat setting. This will add texture and body to your curls. If desired, use a sea salt or texturizing spray for extra texture and a beachy look. Section 4. Placing the claw clip. Gather all your curls towards the crown of your head, allowing them to fall naturally. Take your chosen claw clip and insert it horizontally into your hair from the front, ensuring it captures a good amount of your curls. Twist the clip slightly to secure your curls, creating a messy bun effect. Section 5. Finishing touches. Pull out a few curls around your face and ears to frame your features. This adds a soft and elegant touch to the overall messy style. Use bobby pins if needed to secure loose sections. Finish with a light mist of hairspray to set the style in place. Section 6. Embrace imperfection. Remember, the beauty of this hairstyle lies in its imperfection. Don't worry if some curls escape or if it's not perfectly symmetrical. That's what gives it an effortlessly chic and unique charm. Conclusion. There you have it, the messy claw clip hairstyle for natural curly hair. It's the perfect choice for any occasion, from casual outings to special events. Embrace your curls and celebrate your natural beauty with this stylish and carefree look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with your curly-haired friends for more inspiration.